Alright, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the Evans Garage, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the door weather stripping on my 1992 Dodge W250. I got this weather stripping from LMC truck, and the current weather stripping on my truck is probably the factory weather stripping. It's cracked in quite a few places, and it kind of got pinched in weird angles, I think, over the years. And the big problem that I'm noticing is on speeds above like 80 kilometers an hour on the highway. I'm getting some wind noise, especially on the driver's side. So with this weather stripping, hopefully we can fix that and bring some life back to my old first gen. Okay, so here's the part number. I got these from LMC truck, and the price was $35 for a set, so for the driver's side and the passenger side. Here's the existing weather stripping. We've got it cracked in quite a few places, fallen off there, big hole in it there, really squished here, really squished up this side, really starting to crack in here, not so bad at the top. But you can tell they didn't replace this since they painted it last, which was at least 10 years ago. So let's throw a new set on there. Now it should be super easy to take this off. I really should just pull it off after pulling that sill plate off. Now unless you've installed sound deadener like me, you might have an issue getting some of the weather stripping off because the trim might be in the way. So just be wary of that and try not to crack anything as you pull it off. Getting caught a bit there. Just as easy as, we're going to start here in the middle of the driver's side door, and then you just literally just push it onto the pinch weld all the way around, making sure that it's seated as you go through. So I'll get this side on, and then we'll kind of wrap back here and see if it's too long or too short. So I just got to the end, and what I did was it overlapped about 7-8 inches, and I just took a sharp razor or a sharp blade here, and then I cut it right on the edge. I didn't really have any issues except for this portion here at the back side of the door, maybe just because the curve is so steep that the weather strip kind of kinked, but the rest actually looks really nice and it went on easy. Alright, and I just replaced these screws here with all 304 stainless 1-inch number 10 Phillips head screws. They kind of bite a bit better than the last ones. Alright, and we'll see how the door shuts. Yeah, not bad. See how light we can go. That wasn't that light. Oh, popped open there. Nope. Alright, I just went for a little rip to the highway there and did a test drive going down the highway, and I had my AC system off and my radio off, and I tried to listen as best as I could, and the wind noise was less prominent. There still was some wind noise, and I'm assuming it's coming from other seals in the door, maybe around the window or maybe around the vent window. But overall, it's an improvement, and plus there was cracks and the old one was getting old anyways. So cheers, hopefully this helps, and thanks for watching, and stay tuned for some more videos.